All right, so we got this SVJ over here. Belongs to a good buddy, client of mine. Bone stock car. We just put Novatec springs on it. The wheels are coming in, custom RDB wheels, center lock of course. We are making an exhaust system for this. We're gonna be introducing that F1 sound exhaust system for the SVJs. We're gonna have them available very shortly. This is the first one that's gonna get it. So it's gonna get that really old Murcielago type sound, true V12 sound that you've been hearing. So we're gonna be doing that, a tune and a full wrap. So this is getting a really cool color. We've done it before on this customer's car. We're gonna do it again for his new SVJ. Right now I'm removing the clear bra. The car has a full clear bra on it. However, it's not done right. So if we do wrap it over the clear bra, it's gonna show a lot of edges. Like you can see right now, this edge right here, this is actually dirt going inside of it. And since a lot of companies do clear bras not going tucked in, you get these edges that start getting dirt. And if you wrap over this, this is all gonna show, it's gonna all come out. So we're gonna remove the entire clear bra off of this car. This SVJ is going to be really, really cool when we're done. We need probably about a week. The wheels are arriving and we're going to start the wrap soon. So yeah, SVJ under the knife. Check this out. They didn't even remove the emblem. So they cut around the emblem. They didn't want to remove anything on the car. They did it the easy way and it just wasn't done right.
Welcome to my base, Papa. Hey, this is a lovely place, Bato. I like it. I like it very much. I'm working so hard. Look at this. Look at my feet. Look at my foot. I have to do this one in the afternoon.
Keep it clean.
Yeah, don't tell him big, okay? And he knows I lose diamond on this. Gonna see this count. See, it's too, oh, it is too close, man. All the things. I not even take a break. Look, this is my lunch. Oh,
They don't give you breaks.
man, it's so hard. My eyes! I dropped my eyes. ¿Cuáles patitas?
De la Wii.
¿De cuál wheel?
De la Wii.
¿También tiene que le quite eso?
Sí, Luis.
Right. Ah. Hey, pero yo tengo, vos ves cómo me tienes. Ando como calzón, loco, para arriba y para abajo. Me usan aquí, me usan allá, me dan para acá y para dónde, loco. Mira, ni he comido, loco. Chingados.
2021 Ghost, masterpiece wheels. You already saw it. It's the Tempest Gray. Customer wants to do a lot of body color paint matching. So Luis is removing all the chrome components on the vehicle right now. All the window moldings are off. The door handles piece by piece, all off. Emblems, the front grill's gonna come off. Bumpers are off. There you go. He's got that in his hand. So all that is going to be painted Tempest Gray. We're going to leave a few little details in the chrome so it goes with the wheels. The wheels are silver, so we don't want to do a full body color paint match. We're going to leave the emblems, the spirit, and the center of the grille, like the black badge. We're going to leave those alone. So yeah, this car is going to look incredible when it's done with the masterpiece wheels, which are a huge hit. We're getting a lot of orders in. So give us a call if you want to order the wheels, order the paint. Literally, our paint booth is behind the camera right now. So all inside, indoor painting, everything. So let's go.
Big, I love you. And I hate you at the same time. This kind of bumpers, size is too heavy. I can put them on one stand. However, you put them on, the bumpers open like this. So this kind of bumper is too heavy in the size. This kind of cars over here, getting broken. So what you do is, I put the tape over here. Maybe somebody else, they can use something else, you know, and holding. Like that, we don't have the problem of dealing with any cracks on the sides. So that's why recommendable. I put the tape and make it like that, firm. I don't have the problem later on be coming over me.
Alright guys, I am sitting in something very, very special. This is the Mercedes Maybach Pullman. This is that crazy extended version of the Maybach S-Class. You don't see this in the States, of course. We've seen Drake have one, and this car was imported from London. It's actually a right-hand drive vehicle, so you drive on the right side. Really, really crazy. And we're on the back of the car right now where it has a ton of room, not like the basic S-Class or the basic Maybach S-Class. This is the Pullman. Super, super rare. My good buddies got this car. They're crazy. They have have another Pullman coming on order. This car is here because we're doing some maintenance work, like the brakes. This car actually has bulletproof tires, so really, really crazy tires that no normal person could take off. We're gonna be doing tires on it. Also, we're gonna be doing a front end upgrade to the newer Mercedes like we've done before. But let's talk a little bit about the inside of this car because it has a ton of features. It's ridiculous. Just like the old Maybach, and I'm talking about the really old Maybach, you have this glass roof right here on the top that you could actually dim and undim. It also closes, and it has shades all over the vehicle. Literally every single window has shades that you could open and close, of course. As you see, you even have these little ones right here. The doors actually have a button as well, just like the Rolls Royces. No normal Mercedes has this, of course. So you could close the doors with the press of a button. You have trays, trays that extend out, a lot of stuff. You could eat on it, have your laptop, whatever. The seats, of course, have reclining, so you could put your feet up, whatnot. There's chairs in front of me right now as well. So this is a 4-seater in the back. Whenever you want, you could actually raise the seats in front of you, and you have more legroom and TVs pop up. And then on top of it, you have the center divider, the partition, and that also fades and unfades. And it also has a TV that goes up. So many features, it's ridiculous. I'm not even getting to all of them. There's a lot more features. He has an Apple TV system in here. So Apple TV, that's all under here controlled. You have an intercom system, so you press this button right here and you could talk to the guy in front of you whoever's driving. Right here is your refrigerator and your Maybach glasses. So I think this is made out of aluminum, and it is very sturdy once it goes in. Refrigerator, of course, a ton of features. In front of you on the top has the speedometer, the clock, just like the old Maybach, so you can see how fast you're going and all that stuff as well. If you want to be driven, this is the ultimate car to be driven in, honestly. Forget the Maybach SUV, forget the S-Class Maybach. The Pullman is just insane. So we're gonna be doing a lot more stuff on this car. We'll show you more, but for now, that's the back seat.
That's what your car sounds like. No, there's a one. There's a yellow one. It's faster than a Bugatti, Lambo, Ferrari. Civic, same Civic, same one. But there's a yellow one. It races for like 100,000, 50,000.
Do you mind picking up the trash? Because we don't litter. Littering is wrong.
Who threw that? Vic. So why you want me to pick up Vic trash?
That wasn't.
That was Vic. Vic threw it from upstairs.
No, you can't. Those windows don't even open.
He does. He threw it on the thing. So Vic threw this.
Okay, all right. Let's go here. Let's find your cigarette butts. Okay. Here we have one.
That's camo.
Here we have two. No, that's camo.
Yeah.
That's yours. Camo. That's yours right there.
That's American Experience.
Not. That's yours. That's your cigarette.
No, it's not.
Look, come look at it. I'm not gonna pick it up. Come look at it. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, it is Dunhill.
It's Dunhill. You're the only person that smokes Dunhill.
No, yeah.
But it's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Joey hates. Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay,
it's not
so
fine.
Joey doesn't work.
Look,
so see what happened.
Look, the guy behind the camera.
Okay, so he was
not fine. You're gonna get a fine.
Yeah. So Joe Schmaltz, his job starts 12 o'clock. He always comes. He just came like 20 minutes ago. 2:20.
Yeah, but
and he's rich.
But that's when he starts work.
He charges like
you start
crazy.
at 8. You come at 8:30 every day.
No, I come 7.
But it's fine. Whatever. Don't litter. You know. You don't like what?
On me.
Yeah. What did he do?
And then Joe Schmaltz. So this is what happened. So the other day, Joe Schmaltz told me they just make something funny. So he was gonna create some video. But he told me just throw something, and then like a good citizen, you will pick it up. No.
By the way, everything he's saying is not true.
No,
the littering. Wait. No. The littering wasn't supposed to be on film. Joey saw it and said, "Please pick it up."
So this is what happened. So every time
put it on his car.
So every time Joe Schmaltz, the guy who does the video, he told me, let's create something, let's make a content. So he always tell me, just do something so it will be funny. You guys talking about, you guys are talking, I'm littering, come. And this is Vic and Mano.
That is not us, dude.
That's the
by the way, what he's pointing at is an egg salad.
Okay, let me show it to you. Let's go to his room. Let me show you Mano's desk. Let's go. We're gonna go to Mano's room. Come on.